Applying this property dito sa problem, bale dy over dx is, so yung 2, constant, igigilid lang natin, then times sa derivative nung x. Okay? Pero yung derivative nga nung x is 1, so bale sagot dito is 2 times 1, or simply 2. Okay? Next, for number 3, we have y is equal to 3x to the 4th. So this time, i-apply na natin dito yung power rule for derivatives. That is, if meron tayong derivative ng x raised to n, it's simply equal to n x raised to n minus 1. So therefore, getting the derivative dy over dx, so yung 3 na to is constant uli, igilid nyo lang, then times sa derivative nitong x to the 4th. So we will have 3 times derivative ng x to the 4th applying this power rule. So bababa nyo lang yung exponent ni x na 4. Then copy the base x. Then raise to 4 minus 1. Okay? Applying this formula. So bale 3 times 4, that's 12. Times x raised to 4 minus 1 or 3. So the final answer is 12x cubed. Okay, for now,